Greetings everyone, this is Danny from HarTravel.com, your Norwegian cruise experts, and today I'm on board the beautiful Norwegian Sun. This particular category is a club balcony suite. It's quite a bit of an upgrade from a balcony, and it sits just below the suites. Now I'm going to take you through the space here in just a minute, but keep in mind when you're ready to book this room or any room or suite with Norwegian, Regent, or Oceania, make sure you do it right on HarTravel.com or reach out to your HarTravel advisor. We know that we can help craft the cruise vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value and get the HarTravel signature service every step of the way. Now, I wanted to point out with a club balcony suite, you actually get access to booking your onboard amenities like dining earlier than everyone else. You get it 125 days out currently, which is 5 days before everyone else, so you can get exactly what you want. Now you're gonna have some upgrades like a bottle of sparkling wine and some few touches throughout the cruise like canapes, but the bigger thing is you get a ton of space and you get some great in-room amenities. Let me show you what it's all about. As we head back, you'll see that there's a really long entry hallway. That's because the bathroom and closet are so much bigger. Now this particular room actually adjoins to the owner's suite. If you wanna see what that's all about, you can see that on our channel, along with all the other rooms and suites on the ship. You've got your temperature control here and a nice little nook where you can set your belongings you don't want to forget to head on out with. You also have a great little charging station right here with a US plug. Now as we step in here, you're going to see a big difference from a balcony room. You've got quite a bit of hanging storage all the way across and around. You've got storage up above. In here, you're going to find your safe, perfect size for a passport, wallet, or a small tablet. You have storage up above and then an entire wall of drawers. As we head through here, you're going to find a nice large vanity. You'll really see the upgrades in here. You've got storage space behind the mirrors, plug for a razor, and a ton of storage space underneath. Directly across, you're going to find your vanity. You've got a US plug here and a Euro plug underneath. Now, I always bring extra European adapters and converters so I can use all the plugs in the space. You've got your hair dryer here and a little stool to sit and get ready, light up above and on the sides. Now, as we step through here, you're going to have the toilet tucked in the corner and a really nice large bathtub. Now, I've traveled a lot with my family, and having a bathtub is such a great perk for them. It's also great to soak after you head out and enjoy an incredible excursion. You've got your adjustable shower wand here. It does have a shower curtain. I wish it was a shower door, but there is a ton of space in here, and I love the fact that I actually fit. Now, as we've head further into the bedroom space, you'll see that you have the bed set up right now in a 2-twin configuration. We wanted to show you the differences. It can also be together in a large bed configuration. It's one of the largest beds in the industry. Your nightstand would go to the side in the case of the bed being together. Either way, you've got a ton of space underneath to tuck your bags away. And I love that on the lamps, they actually have built-in USB chargers, so you can charge your device on either side. Now you're going to have a flat panel TV here that you can angle at the bed. So if you want to sit and watch it in bed, you can, or you can angle it towards the large couch. Before we get there, I just wanted to point out that you have curtains on either side that will pull shut completely, and it basically turns it into a one bedroom. It's a really nice touch, especially if traveling with family or friends. Now this is a really large sofa. It's comfy and it can also fold out into 2 more beds for you. You've got the coffee table in the middle, and then you've got a ton of drawers underneath for storage, and then more storage here and up above. You've got your reading desk right here with 2 US plugs and a European plug for a charging station, and then you're going to find your mini fridge just underneath with more storage just behind there. You have another US plug and a European plug just behind, and then of course this does have a great balcony. Let's head out and see what that's all about. So now we're out on your private balcony. You've got 2 comfy chairs and a table. It's that perfect place to have a nice cup of coffee or tea in the morning, maybe a cocktail or glass of wine in the evening, or take advantage of that fantastic room service menu. But what this is all about is having your own private space, fresh air, and of course the incredible ever-changing scenery. We're going to sail out of Seattle here in just a few, heading up to Alaska, and you can imagine it's going to be an incredible cruise. Now, when you're ready to make this club balcony suite your home away from home, or book any cruise with Norwegian, Regent, or Oceania, make sure you reach out to HarTravel or do it right on HarTravel.com. You can take advantage of those interactive deck plans to pick the perfect room or suite for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value, and get the HarTravel signature service every step of the way.